See, I can go on to list 15 businesses you can start with little capital, but most of these businesses will keep you small and struggling because they are easy to start, they are easy to copy, they are easy to saturate. And when everybody is doing the same thing, nobody is really growing. Most of these businesses like mentioned POS, snack selling, becoming a food vendor, and the list goes on and on. They are all overcrowded. They can keep you busy, but not necessarily pull you out of poverty fast. That cycle is not business. That is survival. And survival will always keep you exactly where you are. In this video, I'm not just going to tell you how to turn 100,000 into 500,000. I'm going to show you how to turn that idea you have or that skill in your hands into a system that keep producing money. See, I have studied people who have broken out of poverty, myself included, and it always comes down to just 3 parts, which I'm going to be sharing with you today. The first part is skill-based income. This is where everything starts. It's not in the business itself, because no business itself automatically takes someone out of poverty, and not even capital to start. I'm talking about skill. So we live in an era that is ever easier to get rich than any era in history, but it feels so hard, and that's because we are not changing with times. We keep repeating the same thing and expect new results. Now, number one, you have to know what you can do to solve other people's problem. If you can do something that saves people stress or helps them make money or makes their life just easier, see, they are going to pay you. And don't say I don't have any skill. That's not true. You just haven't paid attention to that particular thing you can do. What do people always ask you to help them with? What comes easy to you? Like, what can you do? What have you done before that even if you weren't paid, you can do it easily? Start there, especially service-based. Skills like nylon printing, sewing uniforms, event planning, master of ceremony, solar installation, social media management, borehole drilling, online teaching. These are real skills. Skills people are using to make real money every day. Let me tell you something that might even change how you are thinking. See, people will not pay you for your perfection. People doesn't need you to be perfect. They pay you for being useful to them. And you don't even need to know everything before you start. You just need to be able to solve a problem. And if truly you think you don't have anything yet, which I don't believe, then keep whatever you are doing right now to survive. Just keep it aside. But start learning. Go on YouTube, pay for training, learn from someone physically, but don't just stay empty. Income without skill is temporarily. It's just something you will just do. Once you have a skill, you can always start over again, even if you lose everything today. Then another point is you have to master the art of selling. If you don't know how to sell something, you will keep struggling. See, selling is not begging. Selling is simply showing people, this is what I can do for you. You can walk to offices, walk into schools, send WhatsApp messages, post your work online, talk to people. Most people are broke today not because they don't have value. It is simply because they are hidden. Nobody is seeing them. See, use AI. You have to evolve. Stop working hard in the wrong direction. AI can help you write captions. It can help you create designs. It can help you generate ideas, edit your videos. It can help you respond to customers. So go ahead, create flyers. And the second part is leverage. See, you are missing it completely if you are not leveraging on people around you. Leverage on people, not just social media alone. Because the opportunities you are looking for, they are already around you. You are not just seeing them. Look around your life. Some people have father that is a bricklayer. You have an aunt that is a tailor, a brother that is a mechanic, a neighbor that sells food, a friend that is into printing. But you are ignoring all of them. And then you go and start something completely new. You start struggling right from zero. Smart people don't always build from scratch. They build from what they already have. Let me give you a real example. When I wanted to start monogramming on uniforms, I didn't know it, but I wanted to learn. And I saw my friend's husband was into it. He taught me. After 2 weeks, I went ahead, get my first customers, and then I gave him the job to do. See, I dressed properly. I walked into schools, offices. I got my first contract on the first day, and I didn't even have the machine. I didn't do the job myself. I gave it to him. He did it. I paid him. I supervised the work. I delivered it, and I kept my own profit, and I kept repeating that process until I could afford my own machine. See, that is leverage. You don't need to own everything to start. You need access and courage. That is all you need. Even if you don't have equipment, you can get contracts, connect people, manage it, execute it, deliver the result, and get paid. So before you say, I don't have money, the first thing to ask yourself is, who do I know? What do they know? How can I connect value to people who need it? That is how you can grow very, very fast. The third part I'll be sharing with you today is high margin thinking. Most people are selling what everybody is selling. You are in the same market, you are running after same customers, same low profit, and you are surprised you are not growing. You will not grow. See, let me tell you this clearly. If your profit is small, your growth will be small. That's the truth. You can hustle all day, but if your margin is low, you will be stuck. So instead of thinking, how do I sell more? You should start thinking, how do I earn more per sale? Like, as you are selling, how do you earn more? So if you are sewing, don't just sew randomly. Focus on people that can give you bulk orders. Sew jerseys, sew sportswear, church uniforms, corporate wears. If you are into printing, don't print for individuals. Go after businesses. Just ensure that things you are doing is bringing in the money in bulk for you. If you are a designer, you can specialize. Even if it is boo-boo only you are sewing and you go to boutiques to go and supply them, you have to dominate a niche. Because when your margin increases, your income grows faster and your options will expand. You must stop thinking survivor. That's what we do these days. You have to start thinking how to scale. No matter what you are doing right now, there is a way to expand it. And not just once, but you can keep expanding it consistently. So you have to focus on these three things I just said. Build a valuable skill, number one. Use leverage. Don't do everything alone. And always think of high margin and how to scale. So if this video opened your eyes, I want to hear from you in the comment section. And don't forget to like this video. And please click on the subscription button. Because here, I don't just talk about money. I teach how to build a life that even money itself will respect. So my name is Helen once again. I am your money enthusiast and a financial literacy advocate. So I'm going to see you in my next video. God bless you.